Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Anastasia with This Week in Public Health. What I wanted to show you today is some of the improvements we've made to Trawly, which is our interactive public health education bot embedded in This Week in Public Health. So we're really excited about Trawly. What Trawly does is pull from the evidence-based literature to help us do a variety of different things that may be relevant to practice. Trawly can do quite a lot. We can start by asking it simple information techniques, such as what does the CDC say about the social determinants of health? We have a lot of stuff here that comes up. Stuff that's probably consistent with what you get in other sources. Also have a link that takes you right to the source. That's pretty cool. But we can do some more advanced things as well, such as what does the literature say about the effectiveness of Medicaid expansion on health outcomes? Something policymakers are interested in. Did that help at all? We've got some citations being studied here, or being cited. Most studies are quasi-experimental. You can't really run an experiment on something like that. Really cool. If you're working more in a practice-based setting, you can ask it to get right to the point. So give me 3 evidence-based strategies to reduce STI rates among young adults. So comprehensive sexual education, increased access to screening, testing, and treatment, and condom distribution. If you need to sort to the point, let's say you're working with a community member or working with a policy member, you can try and get it into some executive summaries style types of things. What are 5 takeaways from the recent research on climate change and public health? Frequency of extreme weather events, air quality degradation, shifts in vector-borne diseases, challenges with mental health, and the disproportionate impact on vulnerable populations. One thing I really want to emphasize is this model was trained on the literature out there. So you can try and test out like an edge case. What's the cure for diabetes? Not the cure right now. So what's this gonna come up with? No definitive cure exists. The treatment focused is on management, lifestyle changes. Oh, cool. Some stuff on the research directions and future prospects. There's a ton of stuff you can do with Trawly. Can you explain diabetes to a second grader? There's a ton of stuff you can do to help with your research and communications efforts. Run on over to This Week in Public Health. You can sign and tell us to comments or reach out to us about the types of things that you've been able to do. Thanks and take care.